Name the tarsal bones. 1. Talus. 2. Calcaneus. 3. Navicular. 4. Cuboid. 5. Medial, intermediate and lateral cuneiforms. What bones form the hindfoot? Calcaneus and talus. What bones form the midfoot? Cuboid, navicular and the cuneiforms. Where does the plantar aponeurosis extend from and to? The calcaneus distally to the fibrous digital sheaths, splits into 5. Anatomically, how many layers are there in the plantar surface of the foot? 4. How many muscles are associated with the plantar surface of the foot? 14. Name the muscles of the first layer. 1. Abductor hallucis. 2. Flexor digitorum brevis. 3. Abductor digiti minimi. Where does the abductor hallucis extend from and to? Medial tubercle of calcaneus and the flexor retinaculum to the medial base of the proximal phalanx. Where does the flexor digitorum brevis extend from and to? Medial tubercle of the calcaneus to the middle phalanges of the lateral 4 toes. Where does the abductor digiti minimi extend from and to? Medial and lateral tubercles of the calcaneus to the lateral base of proximal phalanx. Name the muscles of the second layer. 1. Lumbricals, X4. 2. Quadratus plantae. What flexor tendons are located within the second layer? Flexor digitorum longus and flexor hallucis longus. Where do the lumbrical muscles extend from and to? The tendons of FDL to the medial side of the dorsal tendon expansion. Where does the quadratus plantae extend from and to? The medial and lateral surfaces of the calcaneus to the lateral side of the FDL tendon. Name the muscles of the third layer. 1. Flexor hallucis brevis. 2. Adductor hallucis. 3. Flexor digiti minimi brevis. Where does the flexor hallucis brevis extend from and to? The cuboid and lateral cuneiform to both sides of the base of the proximal phalanx of the hallux.
Describe the different attachment sides of the heads of the adductor hallucis. Transverse head equals plantar ligament of the MTP joints. Oblique head equals base of metatarsals 2 to 4.
What is the distal attachment of the adductor hallucis? The lateral side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the hallux. Where does the flexor digit minimi brevis extend from and to? The base of the fifth metatarsal to the base of the proximal phalanx of the fifth digit. How many plantar interossei muscles are there in each foot? 3. How many dorsal interossei muscles are there in each foot? 4. Where do the plantar interossei muscles extend from and to? Bases and medial side of metatarsals 3 to 5 to the medial side of the proximal phalanx of digits 3 to 5. What is the proximal attachment of the dorsal interossei muscles? Adjacent sides of metatarsals 1 to 5. Describe the distal attachments of the dorsal interossei muscles. First equals medial side of the proximal phalanx of the second digit. Second fourth equals lateral side of the proximal phalanx of digits 2 to 4. What muscles does the medial plantar nerve sit between? Abductor hallucis and flexor digitorum brevis. What layers of the foot does the lateral plantar nerve sit between? 1 and 2. What nerve innervates the majority of muscles of the foot? The lateral plantar nerve. Name the muscles the medial plantar nerve innervates. 1. Abductor hallucis. 2. Flexor digitorum brevis. 3. First lumbrical. 4. Flexor hallucis brevis. What is the root value of the plantar nerves? S2, 3. Which plantar nerve tends to be larger? The medial plantar nerve. What are the terminal branches of the posterior tibial artery? 1. Medial plantar. 2. Lateral plantar.
What arteries connect the plantar arteries? 1. Deep plantar arch. 2. Superficial plantar arch.